Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by forcing a clean state. Power cycle the Solo Pro by holding the power button for about 10 seconds until the LED resets, then remove any old pairing entries from your phone or laptop. Once done, make sure the headphones are charged above 50% and your device Bluetooth is enabled. You do this because residual pair data or low battery often prevents new handshakes. Clearing the list and giving the Solo Pro sufficient power removes common startup faults and prepares both devices to attempt a fresh connection. Now you perform the pairing sequence. Put the headphones into pairing mode and use your device's Bluetooth scan to select Beat Solo Pro. If the connection repeatedly fails, toggle Bluetooth off and on and restart both your headphone and phone or computer to reset their radios. Once visible and connected, check firmware via the Beats app or your device's accessory settings and install updates. These steps matter because outdated firmware or stuck radio states can block the secure handshake that authorizes audio streaming. Finish by confirming your audio output is explicitly set to the Solo Pro in your device's sound settings and perform a quick audio test. Once done, try pairing with a second device to determine whether the issue is the headphones or the original device. If problems persist, perform a factory reset on the Solo Pro and repeat pairing from scratch. This clears corrupted settings. If you still can't connect after a reset, try toggling Bluetooth profiles or contact support, but factory reset fixes most stubborn pairing failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.